What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snort. Out here in a very brisk November. Got the snow pants on. I don't even think it's hit 40 yet, but gonna go grab a cup of coffee. Then going to some place in upstate New York. I'll put the name in the left-hand corner of the screen. But I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'll bring you back when I'm on my way, fellas and fellettes. Back en route to the one, the only Pagoda Press. When you love your motorcycle like I love Big Sheila, you put nothing but premium in there. I am on the hunt for any friggin' patch of water, because, like I said, you don't know you're on black ice till you're on it. I swear there's some like cruel joke with me and Pagoda where I can never get through it quick. You know what? So we'll go back. It's always good to know that you can't go away until, well, you can't go. You know what? I think I'm gonna get my own soap called As the Gears Turn. And I could just see the announcer, or whatever the hell you call that dude. Or hell, you know what? We'll do something different, right? I have a female narrate the beginning. You do know you're merging on the highway, numbnuts. And on this episode of As the Gears Turn, will I get a hot beverage at Bikes and Breakfast? Will Ray show up? Will Lever use his directional? I guess you'll just have to stay tuned to find out, won't you? Won't ya? Ooh, that was a little squirrely. Remember, friends, always check your tire pressure before you go riding. Oh, goodness. Well, it's 9:37. Ray's probably already there, throwing shit around. Where is he? He's at 9:30. Where's Rachel? Where is he? I am making a right. Of course, you must stop at the light. Can you see the submarine? Stuck in the mud. They actually made fun of it on an episode of Aqua Teen Hunger Force. I love that show, man. If you have never seen Aqua Teen Hunger Force, if you like South Park, Family Guy, you'll love Aqua Teen Hunger Force. Oh, I got some farm over here. Huh, how about it? I guess it wouldn't be going to the gas station without a little drama, huh, fellas? Huh? You just can't behave, can ya? You little doo-doo huffers. You little doo-doo huffers. Back on our way after Lever got his special Diva gas. Takes an extra 10 minutes to fill up a motorcycle with gas when you're getting Diva gas. Oh, I can't use the regular gas. I have to use the special Diva gas. Always let them know they're number one, friends. Love you. Maybe we'll see Santa today. Last time we went this way in the winter, we saw Santa. I love that smell. Fireplace, the wood's going. It's that special time of year where you and your loved ones curl up by the fireplace, put on YouTube, and watch Gears of Snore. And you give his video a thumbs up. You better do it. Oh, he's got a directional on. I feel like this might be that Gears of Snore Christmas special. Come with me, Ray, Nico, and Lever, as we help save Christmas with Lever's directionals. Tune in 9 p.m. Christmas Eve this year on Gearcock. That's our streaming platform. Or Gearflix or Gear Mount Plus. I don't know. There's so many options. So many. Yeah, I said that Big Sheila is going next year because unfortunately my knees and riding position are not cooperating. And honestly, being blunt, I'm a one bike household right now, and I wish I had something different on the longer rides. Can you do it? Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, I went to Virginia. I didn't have any issues, except for having to, swap the seat a couple times when the cushioning wore out. But I mean, that's going to happen on any bike, right? At least you could do it on this and bring an extra seat. I will say, man, money well spent when Mean City Cycles getting the seat, the foam change. If you're thinking, if you like your stock seat, I'm telling you, man, reach out. They won't sell you anything you don't need. They do incredible work. The return times are awesome. I was actually going to get something more expensive, and the dude's like, don't do that. I have a Pan Am. You won't like it. Do this instead. You'll be much happier. And he was right. So I'll put their info in the description. I can't say enough good things about Mean City Cycles. I really can't. Phenomenal customer service, phenomenal work. Yeah, I'll be on the train tomorrow. It's wild, man. Like 20-something years ago, my buddy Ryan, love you, boo. Ryan owns Short Shot Skateboards. Makes fantastic stuff. This wasn't here. And the clothing too, my god. Yeah, he's on the gram. Hit him up if you need a skateboard or t-shirt or sweatshirt. It's all good quality stuff, and dude's probably one of the most solid, good-hearted people I know in the world. So is his family, man. And when we were friends, they welcomed me in with open arms. Nicest people in the world. Uncle Chaz told me I looked like Clint Eastwood, which was funny as hell. I have an idea for something. I think I'm gonna save it for the end of season 3 because there's things I cut out of my videos, my ramblings and whatnot, and I'm all over the place by design. My conversations, nothing's scripted. It's all my brain going 100 miles an hour all the friggin' time. And there's some funny stuff I end up cutting out of the videos. And I'm like, maybe this might be something good to share. Ooh, what the hell? Did it drop 5 degrees the minute we crossed over New York? Holy crap! Oh, poor fella. You shouldn't have done that. He's just a boy. That's funny, I just heard Nico go, it's colder up here. Yeah, my friggin' knees are freezing, what the hell? I'm gonna dip in the damn bathroom and put my long johns on underneath these for the ride home, I swear. Or the jeans. Holy crap! You know, I don't get too emotionally attached to my motorcycles, but my 22 Electra Glide, like, I was pretty hurt when I had to give it up. I was just beyond frustrated with trying to get a seat handlebar combo, and that was my first foray into Harley Davidson, so knowing what I know now, I'd still have it and the issues would be fixed. But I loved that bike. It was beautiful, it was perfect, it didn't have a radio, it had the 107, just good things, man. The rear suspension sucked, but again, now knowing what I know, you can fix that. This bike, I will be sad when it goes, because one, I was pretty open about, this was my reward for everything I went through with stage 3 colon cancer, and it was a very good reward. This is a very, very fun bike that offers some opportunities to you, you know, dirt roads, on road. The engine is something else, and I'll say it again probably for like the 50th time. This goes in the bagger with the same horsepower and torque. Nobody's touching Harley. You just decimate everybody. Is this place open? They somebody bought Rhodes and changed it. Now it's Cooper's Tavern. Nah, they're hiring. It's supposed to be. It's a Irish bar. Is that Taco Turnpike? Oh my god, you know that place is going to be good. I think we're here. Okay. It's up ahead. I must not use my direction. No. Cha 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 cha.
Yeah, but you know, that's just what you saw.
I was watching a guy. He has the he's showing you how to dress when you get one. Imported that man. Where that man came from?
Good thing you ride the back. In case your farts blow up, you don't have to.
You need a grown man.
Yeah, you have a big boy spoon.
And we are just leaving Seven Lakes Station, Sloatsburg, New York. Cool place, man. You can sit in front by the bar. You can sit in back. They have some seating. They have some outside seating. Great libation selection. Staff was cool as hell, and the food, let me tell you, food was good. Burgers were good. Lamb burger looked awesome. I don't like lamb, but yeah, I almost went to the dark side, that lamb. If you're up in the area, it's literally maybe 30 seconds past where Rhodes used to be. You won't be disappointed. I definitely will be back, preferably when it's a little warmer. But friends, if you made it this far, this is where I say goodbye to y'all. Appreciate you watching my videos, and I hope you'll come back next week to watch another one. Take care.